All right, let's talk about something truly incredible. Imagine it's July 2nd, 2025. Suddenly, telescopes all over the world get a signal from deep space. But this wasn't just any signal. It was a cosmic explosion so strange, so ridiculously powerful, and so long that it's making scientists question everything they thought they knew about the most violent events in the universe. This is the story of GRB 250702b. I mean, just let that sink in for a second. An event that even for a moment could outshine billions and billions of stars all put together. This wasn't some tiny flicker in the distance. This was like a cosmic scream that traveled across the universe just to reach our little planet. But the real shock wasn't just its power. It was the fact that it just wouldn't go away. And this is the part that really stunned astronomers. The explosion just kept going for over 7 hours. That kind of thing is supposed to be impossible. It completely shatters all the models, as scientists just had to watch amazed as this thing pulsed and flared, refusing to die down. So you might be wondering, okay, 7 hours, why is that such a huge deal? Well, it's a huge deal because it basically takes the rulebook for these kinds of events and just tears it to shreds. Let's dig into why GRB 250702b is such a cosmic rebel. Okay, first, a super quick refresher. Gamma ray bursts, or GRBs, these are the biggest, baddest explosions in the known universe. We're talking about cataclysmic events like a giant star collapsing into a black hole or two neutron stars smashing into each other. They are, quite literally, the universe's ultimate fireworks show. And this is where it gets crazy. You see, a typical GRB is a flash in the pan. Incredibly bright, yeah, but it's over in seconds, maybe a couple of minutes. It's a single blast that quickly fades to black. But GRB 250702b, totally different animal. It flared up, it pulsed, it repeated for hours. It's like nothing we have ever seen before. So when you detect a signal this bizarre, the first question is obvious, right? Where on Earth, or rather, where in the universe did this thing come from? The cosmic detective work started immediately, with observatories on the ground and in space all scrambling to pinpoint the source. And what they found is just mind-bending. Using instruments like NASA's Fermi satellite, they traced it back to a galaxy so far away, its light has been traveling for billions of years to reach us. Think about that. We're not just looking out into space, we're looking back in time. We're seeing an echo from the ancient universe. And it all came from a massive, super dusty star system that was hiding its secrets. Until now. Now, an event this strange is going to have some pretty wild explanations. Scientists are still scratching their heads and debating, but a few really fascinating theories have popped up as the prime suspects in this cosmic mystery. This is the multi-billion-dollar question, isn't it? What in the cosmos could possibly power an explosion that intense for that long? Let's take a look at the leading ideas. Okay, so one possibility is that we caught a black hole in the middle of dinner. Picture a massive star getting way too close, and the black hole's gravity just starts tearing it to shreds. All that star stuff would swirl around, forming this superheated disk that could launch an unbelievable jet of energy right in our direction. All right, the next theory sounds like something straight out of sci-fi. It's called a precessing magnetic jet. So imagine a super-powered, magnetized stream of particles shooting out from near a black hole. Now, what if that jet was wobbling? Kind of like a spinning top that's about to fall over. Its beam could sweep past us again and again. This cosmic lighthouse effect could totally explain the repeating pulses we saw over those 7 hours. Or maybe it's a slight twist on that first idea. It's called a tidal disruption event. But here, the star isn't eaten all in one go. Instead, it gets shredded piece by piece over multiple trips around the black hole. Every time it makes a pass, bam, another burst of energy. So we've got 3 main theories: a single messy meal, a sweeping rhythmic beam, or a star being slowly torn apart. Regardless of which theory turns out to be right, and it might be something we haven't even thought of yet, one thing is absolutely certain. This one single event is forcing us to fundamentally rethink how the universe's most extreme phenomena actually work. Look, this isn't just some cool, weird thing that happened. It's a genuine game changer. For decades, we've had GRBs sorted into 2 neat little boxes, short and long. Well, GRB 250702b, doesn't fit in either of them. It pretty much proves there's a whole new class of cosmic explosion we never knew existed. It's making us go back to the drawing board on everything from how stars die to how black holes behave. It shows us that the cosmos is far from a solved puzzle. And that's really the big takeaway here, isn't it? Every single time we build a better telescope or find a new way to look at the sky, the universe shows us something that just completely defies our imagination. GRB 250702b is one heck of a powerful reminder that there are still profound secrets out there just waiting for us to find them.
So, if this completely blew your mind like it did mine, do us a favor and hit that like button. It honestly helps us out a ton. And hey, to join us on our next journey into the biggest mysteries of the cosmos, make sure you hit subscribe.
But before you go, I really want to hear from you. What do you think caused this thing? Was it a hungry black hole, a cosmic lighthouse, or something even wilder? Drop your best theory down in the comments below. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you in the next one.